All right, we got a 17 Durango GT. You know that the lift gate on these go bad all the time. As you see, like when I press this button, it doesn't go up. So I have to pull it a little bit. It's not the actual lift gate, it's the locking latch. So I have to pull it a little bit, and it's electric, which is annoying. And then it goes up. See that? So basically, the motor in this, it's not good. It's not pulling it, it's not pushing it away from the actual piece right here. So let's change that. So start off by popping off this little plastic cover here. Just be careful, you don't want to break any clips. Oof. All right, so you got a T30 socket right here. We're gonna undo these bits. All right, so to undo this, you see this little like rectangular thing here, right there. You kind of just like lift it, and as you lift it, you push that way. So let's just do it really quick. You push away. So we lift it, and then we pull it. I'm gonna just pull by the cables. Bam, comes right off. This just looks like a regular, like you pull this like red tab, it comes right off. So let's just do that really quick. All right, there has to be a better way I can access this. I cannot reach this at all. All right, so we finally got to the little motor part. All you have to do is just push this in, and then so easy. I think you have to lift this up to this little red clip. You gotta lift it up, and then it slides right out. All right, so as you can see, the same exact motor, everything. Only thing is that everything looks fine, but it's in here, like the actual little motor where everything goes wrong. Close this. It should lock it. It should pull it in now that it has a new motor. Just that so. Let's lift it up. All right, so like I said, one thing it does is that it pulls it in and then it pushes it out. So this is the pushing part. Let's see if that works. All right, that's cool. All right, so all we needed was just some kind of trim panel removal tool, a ratchet with a T30 socket, and honestly, that's pretty much it.